Actually, speaking anything will be repeating the words people earlier have spoken. But still, I will speak that I am very much honored and I'm thankful to all these people who have arranged this event midday, and I'm thankful that all these great people have gathered for this event. और मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा, मराठी में कहना चाहूँगा, जारण ही आमची फिल्म अजूनही थिएटर्समध्ये आहे. तुम्ही अजूनही जाऊन बघू शकता. खूप आम्ही मेहनतीने फिल्म बनवलेली आहे. अनिश सरांनी ती प्रेझेंट करायला आम्हाला मदत केलेली आहे. सो मैं
very good evening to everyone out here, and thank you Amrita ji, thank you Anish ji, Haji bhai, thank you sir, thank you Mid-Day Showbiz for this award. Thank you, I mean it's an honor and I think it's a privilege कि आप लोगों ने हमारे रोल्स के अलावा ये टैलेंट भी रिकग्नाइज किया कि जब हम कुछ बात करते हैं और its influence I've realized over the years is a responsibility. जैसे स्पाइडरमैन ने कहा है कि with great power comes responsibility. So I think when your actions and when your words can help people, can influence people, and it makes a little bit of a change or some kind of an inspiration in their life, I think it's worth everything. And I also share this award with all those people, all those artists who dare to speak the truth. Thank you so much and thank you for believing in me. God bless.
Congratulations to you, your award, your gift. So ये पोस्टर देखते हैं हम लोग. Z Studios and Prerna Arora presents Jatadhara, written and directed by Venkat Kalyan. Navathalapati Sudhir Babu.
This was a surprise, pleasant surprise. Yes, this is a supernatural film, and I'm hoping that next year today I take the award back on merits, as I always done with all my films. Be it Rustam, Holiday Prem Katha, Padman, Pari, so many more. But yes, this has to be the most special one once again, because I think time has changed after COVID, like we understand. To be successful in the theatre is a very big challenge. So I hope so, and really hoping so, with a lot of determination and conviction. And secondly, with the cast, we are pleased that, of course, there is Sonakshi Sinha and another gem, a treasure hidden, as none other than Divyaji herself.
We shot the film Jatadhara in Mount Abu in Hyderabad, and it was such an amazing experience working with the entire team, and of course Prerna. I would like to thank Prerna because I think she's totally designed my look in the film, and it's something which will take everyone by surprise. So I'm very excited for my look to come out, and of course working in Telugu was such a beautiful experience, and learning the language and performing with the entire cast and the dedicated crew that we had. Thank you, Prerna.
This was announced last year, Jatadhara. We had a small glimpse. There was no cast. Yes, right away. And next year the award, definitely.
Thank you, Midday. It's always great encouragement when you get a pat on the back and making a biopic on Mr. Savarkar's life was a very rebellious thing. You know, everybody asked me not to do it, but that urged me to do it more and better. It took the life out of me as an actor, and I was tearing my hair out as a director, but I put my life and soul into it. He was a very complicated man, a very contradictory man, and I really wanted the younger generation to know more about him. Just the way I discovered him while making the movie, I was hoping that people would discover him. And he's a great icon from Maharashtra and India, and I'm very grateful to Midday for recognizing my efforts. So thank you very much.
First of all, thank you so much, Midday, jury, and my director, Lakshman Utekar, and Maddock Films. Thank you so much everyone जिसने मुझे मदद की है एज एन एक्टर ग्रो करने में, एज ए ह्यूमन एक कदम जिंदगी में और बेहतर दिशा में बढ़ने में। कविता आपको सुनाता हूँ और आगे बढ़ते हैं। वीर धीर तलवार तीर हो, मर्द मराठा शूरवीर हो, युद्ध में कौशल गजब दिखावे, रिपु दमन कर शंख बजावे, जनमानस के भूप रहोगे, चरम चमकती धूप रहोगे, प्रसन्न रहे माता जगदम्बा, ओ छत्रपति, ओ सहचर संभा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much. Thank you to all the award winners. 40 साल फिल्मों में और 540 फिल्में करने के बावजूद भी हर अवार्ड की एक्साइटमेंट वैसी होती जैसा पहले अवार्ड की थी। I want to thank my director of Vijay 69, Akshay Roy, and Yashraj Films and Netflix, and all the co-actors who acted in this film with me. This was a film about a man who runs a triathlon at the age of 69. And I did not know how to swim, so I started learning swimming at the age of 68. And
a banker, singer, social activist, and homemaker, the multi-faceted.
That's right. Which में ad break चाहिए था उनको, तो मैं स्पीच अपनी यही कम करता हूँ। तो it was wonderful. So it's beautiful to lovely to see you. Great work you do, my friend, and fantastic. सब इतने अच्छे लोग दिखाई दे रहे हैं। Thank you very much. You look always amazing, and great work is being done by sir. Thank you. God bless you all. Lots of love. Take care. Thank you. Vijay 69. Thank you. अभी मुझे बताया गया कि पीछे टेक्सटाइल मिनिस्टर भी हैं। मुझे पता था, पहले से ही पता था, मगर मैं आपको गले लग जाता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच, बहुत अच्छा। जब देखो क्या है, अब आपने मुझे बोला है, नहीं आपसे माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, मगर जब ऐसे महानुभाव यहाँ पर, मतलब ऐसी महिलाएं अच्छी खूबसूरत हों तो थोड़ा इधर ध्यान कम जाता है। पर
मेरा ध्यान अब आपके ऊपर ही है। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Wow, hello guys, what's up? It's so nice to be amongst new talents, new people, old talents, and classic talent at the same time. Midday, what do I say to you guys? You guys have still been the pinnacle of the media, and every time and every day, whenever we read the reviews, our hearts are in our mouth. So we definitely do give you guys so much credit for giving us credit and taking us along the ride. And thank you so much, Ms. Fatmalis ji, for being here and standing so long and so effortlessly giving everybody their awards. Thank you to this industry, really, it's given me so much and I feel very blessed to be here, really. And all I can say is every time I used to tell myself that I'm the best. I was a little younger then, but now when I say that, I stop. And I tell myself, should I say it today to myself? Or should I wait another day to say it to myself? So I think that's the difference between being young in this industry and, growing old with this industry. So, whenever you feel you're just at the top of your game, take a step back and say, tomorrow's another day. Let's see what happens. Don't say, I'm the best as yet, because the best is yet to come from all of us. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Huge iconic recognition for this award. I'm really thankful to everyone, and it will definitely encourage me to do a lot more substantial work in future. Thank you so much. God bless you.
I just want to say, from someone who was never offered a negative role, to being told that we love hating you, I think is a great thing. And thank you, Midday, for acknowledging that, for appreciating that. And thank you, Maddock. Thank you, Lakshman Odekar, my director, for having the huge faith in me. And Vicky Kaushal, Chava, thank you, and lots of love. Shukriya, this is a huge encouragement. So I think like a tonic for us actors to get these awards, and we just go back very rejuvenated. So tahe dil se shukriya. Thank you.
बहुत बुरा लग रहा है आपको बार-बार माइक लेके आना पड़ रहा है. And I know there's paucity of time, so I'll quickly wrap this up. First of all, thank you, Midday Showbiz Award, for this lovely award. और काफ़ी सारे अवार्ड मिलने की आदत से हुई है. भगवान ने नवाज दिया है काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों से. और जैसे रणदीप ने कहा, it always feels nice to get a pat on your back. तो 2 लाइनें सुन के आया हूँ, क्योंकि खुश भी हूँ, थोड़ा सा जोश भी आया हुआ है, लेकिन डर भी लगता है, क्योंकि the transient nature of this business, कि किसी को कुछ नहीं आता, सबका वक्त आता है, और जिसका वक्त आता है उसको सब आता है. Thank you guys, thank you.
raised watching and reading midday content, and today to be sharing a stage with such amazing personalities and being awarded for a show, Rana Naidu, which I was a massive fan of. I loved season 1, and I hoped and prayed that I'd get that call, and I got the call. And yeah, if you dream something and you believe in something, it can be yours. So thank you very, very much, Midday. Thank you.
मंच पर सब जो हमारे सम्माननीय मंच के सामने, क्या बोलूं कि 99 में जंगल जब मिली थी तो उसके लिए मीडिया का खूब, पूरे देश की मीडिया का खूब जो है, जंगल बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं चली थी, लेकिन उसमें उस कैरेक्टर के लिए खूब मीडिया का प्यार मिला था, क्रिटिक्स का बहुत प्यार मिला था। 99 के बाद 2024 में एंड में बेबी जॉन रिलीज हुई और मुझे खूब क्रिटिक्स का प्यार मिला। फिल्म बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं चली क्योंकि वो रीमेक थी, लेकिन हमारे लिए एक ऑडिशन दे गई। मुझे बहुत सारी फिल्मों का ऑफर मिलने लगा। कई सारे प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर के फोन आए कि राजपाल आपकी कॉमेडी तो बहुत देखी, आपके सीरियस रोल भी बहुत देखे, आपके नेगेटिव रोल भी बहुत देखे, आपका यार एक्शन पहली बार देखा। तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि कॉमेडी इज ए सीरियस बिजनेस। और वो फिल्म 25 साल पूरी करने के बाद में जिस तरीके से मिड्डे ने उस बेबी जॉन के कैरेक्टर को ये आपने जो इनाम देके उसको एक प्रमाणिकता या उसको स्थापना दी है, थैंक यू सो मच मिड्डे, थैंक यू सो मच शोबिस, थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी, थैंक यू, लव यू ऑल। और बेबी जॉन से मेरा गोल्डन जुबली में प्रवेश हुआ है और अभी मुझे लगता है इन 1997 आई वाज a known struggler, लेकिन in 2025 I am a known beginner. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
मेरे लिए ये सब बहुत नया है, तो क्या बोलूं समझ में नहीं आ रहा। आज मेरे फेवरेट एक्टर साइड में खड़े, मैम खड़े, तो मैं कहाँ हूँ लिटरली, बट बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है मुझे। लाइक छोटे से गांव से आया हूँ, मैं सपने देखता था, तो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा अवार्ड है, ऑस्कर जैसे ही। तो 2 लाइन गाऊंगा नया गाने का। जादू मंतर, हा मंतर, तुझा स्वॅग ओजी हाय तुझी कंबर एक नंबर, तुला 100 पैकी 1 नंबर, तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी हाय किती सुंदर, तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते थँक यू।
Thank you Amazon, thank you Midday for recognizing my talent and giving me an opportunity to be here. It's a beautiful evening, I'm honored to be here, and for receiving this award is really a special moment to me because it marks my first award in my professional career, so this will always be close to my heart, and I promise to work hard, entertain all of you, and take care. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you so much, Midday Showbiz. I am so honored to be your iconic global dance star. I would say one of the most iconic moments of my entire career was 2 years ago. I actually got the huge honor of dancing on the Academy Awards, representing India in the iconic Naughty Naughty performance. And I It actually didn't air on the telecast, but I actually stood center stage with my hands in a namaste, giving a bow to a standing ovation of everyone in Hollywood representing India, and it was the most incredible honor of my journey. So thank you guys so much, and here's to many more.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Midday Showbiz Awards. This is my third. I think it's my third. Yeah, it's my third award. And thank you for appreciating my style statement. I hope I can keep setting trends and encouraging a lot of people trying different styles. So yeah, thank you so much. Lovely meeting you.
I think I've forgotten everything that I had prepared, but it feels very incredible to be here, sharing the space, the same air as incredible artists over here. And I would like to thank Midday for acknowledging young actors like me. And of course my parents, my mom who has shown me unconditional love and support, and I wouldn't be standing here without her. And my dad who's standing right there. Clapping for every single one over here, and if you go and talk to him right now, he will probably be the proudest father here. And yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much. It is a pleasure to be here. When you receive an award at such platform, especially from Midday, it is assured that it comes from trust. And this actually is not just an award, but बहुत सारे सवाल जो आजकल एक्टर्स और क्योंकि लाइफ ऐसी होती है, एक्टर्स खुद से पूछते हैं कि काम मिलेगा या नहीं, एक्सेप्ट होंगे या नहीं, मेहनत सफल होगी या नहीं. तो this award is dedicated to all of you all who is comprehensive about their profession in any given time. This is an answer to all of us being accepted. Thank you so very much. Thank you. I shall never take such nights for granted ever. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I would say thank you so much, Midday Awards, for this recognition. Thank you so much to the audiences for making Lapata Ladies and Your Pool what it is today. आप सबने कैरेक्टर को मेरे और मेरी फिल्म को इतना प्यार दिया. Thank you for feeling for me. Thank you to Kiran ma'am and Amit sir for making me their pool, and for my first film, the kind of experience I've had, I've always relished it. एंड मैं सबको ये प्रॉमिस करूँगी कि मैं और मेहनत करूँगी और आप सबका दिल जीतने की ऐसी कोशिश करती रहूँगी. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू फॉर फीलिंग विद मी.
Thank you so much. I think this is for all the young women who feel that law is not the place for them. This is proof that it absolutely is. And through my show, Rule of Law with Sana Reis Khan, I would like to thank, of course, Midday as well as NDTV for believing in the vision and helping me make law more accessible and relatable. Of course, I take pride in the fact that I can proudly say that legal awareness now is not a luxury. It is a necessity. So thank you, Midday. Thank you so much.
Midday and the entire team, all the sponsors, and getting the award for Diva, that is something really to die for. I'm really thankful to the entire team and my PR team for having me here. Thank you guys. I love you all, and being a diva, especially known for your fitness and inspiring so many people, I think that this is something that I want to continue doing it, and if I can inspire even one, so मुझे लगता है मैं काफी बड़ा काम कर रही हूँ. And all I want to say that whenever people say you're the fitness diva, and I like it, and I want कि physically तो fit हम लोग हैं, mentally भी fit रहें, और यही मेरा aim है. Thank you guys, and I love you all. All the best for the evening.